So hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to install the deep learning libraries installers for ArcGIS Pro. So now let's get started. So first I'm going to open my ArcGIS Pro. So once you open the ArcGIS Pro, so the deep learning models and workflows has increasingly becoming more and more accessible within ArcGIS Pro. So in order to use the deep learning model that is available inside ArcGIS Pro, first we need to install the deep learning libraries. So once you open ArcGIS Pro, we're going to navigate to this option called settings, and in that you can able to visualize the product information here. So we have ArcGIS Pro. Currently we installed this particular version called ArcGIS Pro 3.4 version. So from here you can able to see I have installed this particular version called 3.4. So once you determine the version of your software, next I'm going to open a browser. So I'm going to open my new browser. I'm going to mention as Deep Learning Libraries in ArcGIS Pro. So now I have entered as Deep Learning Libraries in ArcGIS Pro. So I'm going to click enter to search. And here you can able to see we have multiple results here. So we're going to select this particular result called GitHub S3 Deep Learning Framework installation. So we're going to click this. So from this website, you can download the deep learning library installers for ArcGIS Pro. So you can able to go through the details about this. So ArcGIS Pro, Server and ArcGIS API for Python all includes a tool to use AI and deep learning to solve the geospatial problems such as feature extraction, pixel classification, and feature categorization. And gonna go down here. So in the download section, you can able to see we have different versions that is available. So for example, deep learning library installer for ArcGIS Pro 3.5, and next we have a deep learning library installer for ArcGIS Pro 3.4. So my current version of ArcGIS Pro is 3.4. So you can able to see from here. So this is the current version, that is 3.4. So make sure that you're going to select download this particular version called ArcGIS Pro 3.4. So we're going to click this particular link here, Deep Learning Library Installer for ArcGIS Pro. So you're going to click this and navigate to the folder location where you could like to save this particular deep learning libraries. So you can able to see I've already downloaded the ArcGIS Pro Deep Learning. So make sure that I click save, and the size of this particular library is around 3.5 GB. Let me cancel this. So you can able to see the ArcGIS Pro Deep Learning library. So it is installed, downloaded, which is around 3.5 GB. And also you can go through the installation here. So on Windows, so it's given for installation for Windows as well as the server Linux. So the simple is once you downloaded the archive of your product, extract the zip file to a new location and run the Windows installer. And on Windows, this will install the deep learning framework into the default ArcGIS Pro Python environment, but not any custom environments. So we created prior to running this installation. So after installation, subsequent clones will also include the full deep learning package set. You will need to extract the file, or the installer won't be able to find its content. So after installation, the archives and installer files can be deleted. And you can go through the details here. So the manual installation is also given here, and additional installation for disconnected environments. And these are the different backbone packages, and you can able to go through the different things here. So here the most of the package requirements is given here. So the most of the package include the deep learning library installer will work out of the box on any machine configuration. And this is the GPU requirement. So NVIDIA compute capability of 5.0 minimum or 6.1 or later is recommended here. And the GPU driver, it should be NVIDIA GPU driver, and the dedicated graphics memory of minimum 4 GB is required, and the recommended is around 8 GB. And other tools requirements. So the geoprocessing tools using deep learning are integrated into the multiple areas of the software that requires a related extension installed to function. So these are the following set of tools here: the model training, inferencing, and exploration. It includes in the image analyst and point cloud classification. It includes in 3D analyst and auto ML and text analysis. The extension like advanced. So for this, no extension is required. So once you downloaded your deep learning libraries, navigate to the folder location where you have downloaded it. So I have navigated to my folder location. So you can able to see the ArcGIS Pro Deep Learning Libraries. So I'm going to right click and I'm going to click this option called extract here. So it's going to extract the deep learning library files here in this folder. So it's going to extract, it's going to take some time to extract. So now here you can able to see it has extracted the files here. So it includes Pro Deep Learning, and another package here. So once you extracted the package, navigate to this file called Pro Deep Learning. You can able to see this is the window installer package. So we're gonna right click. So you can able to see the type here. It has mentioned window installer package. So you're gonna right click. Let me right click, and I'm gonna click this option called install. So the window appears called Deep Learning Libraries for ArcGIS Pro setup. So I'm gonna click this option called next. And again, I'm going to click this option and make sure that you click this option called I accept the master agreement, and I'm going to click next. So now we are ready to install the program called Deep Learning Libraries for ArcGIS Pro. So I'm going to click this option called install. So it's going to take some time to install our deep learning libraries for ArcGIS Pro. So you can able to see it's currently installing our deep learning libraries. So this is the status. So once your ArcGIS Pro deep learning package has installed, let me show you that. So in this window, you can able to see the deep learning libraries for ArcGIS Pro setup. So the deep learning libraries for ArcGIS Pro has been successfully installed. So now click finish. So once the installation is complete, we're going to exit and restart ArcGIS Pro. So now I'm going to close my ArcGIS Pro and I'm going to restart it. So when I'm going to navigate to ArcGIS Pro, I'm going to click ArcGIS Pro. So once you opened it, we're going to navigate to this option called settings. And in that we're going to navigate to this option called package manager. So this is the package manager. So in the search section, I'm going to enter as deep learning essentials. So let me enter as deep learning essentials. So you can able to see it appears here in the deep learning essentials. So with the libraries installed, we can now start the deep learning models. So you can able to see this particular tool package called Deep Learning Essentials. So once it is available, we are now ready to we can ready to use the deep learning tools in ArcGIS Pro. So in this video, I have shown you how to install the deep learning libraries in ArcGIS Pro. So thanks for watching, and make sure that you subscribe to our channel and give us a like.